Hey, it's John Taylor with MrQuickPick USA, and it's giveaway time again. Next is the gas can. Oh, so much to say about the gas can. Back in the day, a gas can was a gas can. It was a can that you put gas in, you put a little cap on it. They didn't even come with a cap, actually. Now you got all this ergonomically, environmentally correct stuff. This was the best of the best that I could find for our new roadside assistance kit. It's 1.5 gallons. It says 1.25. It'll hold up to 1.5 gallons. Maybe you can squeeze a little more in there, but check this out. You fill it up. You know, you got the ones that you got to push the thing down or do a little trick. This just has a button. Check it out. Boop, 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 boop. You fill it up with gas, take the top off, fill it up with gas. When you're ready to pour it in, boop, boop, you push the button. That's it. That's it. You're done. This is great for our roadside assistance kit that I think I mentioned in previous videos we're putting together. If you don't want the smell of gas in your car, it's cheap enough. Give it away, throw it away, whatever. Get you a new one. You don't have to leave it in your trunk smelling like gas. But for that one-time shot, I would not suggest this for the guys that are going out there filling gas all the time. No, this is for the one-off. This is for the person that just needs gas. I'm gonna give away a little secret here. It's a little early. I wasn't planning on doing this, but when we put together the kit for our sons, our daughters, our snowflakes, if you will, we are going to put a $5 gas card on the bottom. So you run out of gas, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to Uber to a gas station, get your gas, fill yourself up, and get back on the road. We're gonna give this away. Oh, I've said too much. We're gonna give this away random. Like and share our video, and stay tuned for our next giveaway. I'm John Taylor with MrQuickPick USA.